Hello and welcome to my handcrafted corner. Today we are going to make this crochet coaster. It's made from two color yarns. And this is how it looks on the back. Let's get started. For this project we are going to use a 3mm hook, and we will start by making a magic ring like this. We will chain one and in the ring we will make a single crochet and chain 2. This will count as our first double crochet, and we will make 11 more, in total 12. So we will make a double crochet, so this is our second double crochet, three, 4, and so on until we have 12. We have now 12 double crochets on our ring. At this point we will tighten the ring like this, and we will join the work by slip stitching into the first stitch here. Next, chain 1, and into this stitch, into the same stitch, we will make 1 single crochet. We will do the same combination of stitches, 1 single crochet and chain 2, and this will count as our first double crochet from this second round. So we will make another double crochet into the same stitch. So we have 2 double crochets into the first stitch, and we will continue like this in every stitch from this round, with 2 double crochets in each stitch. This will be an increase round, and we will increase by 12 stitches, so in total at the end of this round we will have 24 stitches. I have one more stitch here, and in this one I will work 2 double crochets. Next, we will join the work by slip stitching into the first stitch, which is the second from the chain 2, second stitch from the chain 2 from our previous combination of stitches. So we will slip stitch into this first stitch. Into the same stitch we will make 1 single crochet, chain 2. This again will count as our first double crochet. We will leave this like this, and into the next one we will make 2 double crochets. Again an increase round, and this time we will have 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets into the next one. So let's do this one more time. We will start with 1 double crochet, and then into the next one 2 double crochets into the same stitch. So 1, 2, 1, 2, and so on until we reach the end. I have left only one repeat of this iteration, so 1, and into the next one, to the next stitch, 2 double crochets. We will join the work in the same way by slip stitching into the first stitch. We will chain 1 and make 1 single crochet into the same stitch, chain 2, and into the same stitch we will make 1 double crochet, and into the next 2 we will work only 1 double crochet. So for this round our iteration will be 2 double crochets into the same stitch, and into the next 2 stitches only 1 double crochet. Let's do this one more time. So into the next one we will make 2 double crochets and 2, here 1, and into the next one only 1. We will continue like this until we reach the end of the round. And for this round for the previous round we should have 36 stitches, and at the end of this one 48. At each row we have it increased with 12 stitches. I have left only one repeat, so 2 double crochets to the next stitch and only 1 into the next 2. We will join the work by slip stitching into the first stitch. We should now have 48 stitches, and on the next round we will continue by joining in the new color. I have here the next color, and in order to join it we will do like this. We will go with the hook into this stitch and into the first one from the previous round here, and we will bring in the new color. We'll pull through these loops and we will skip the other one, and at this point we will chain 1, go into the same stitch and make 1 single crochet, and then we will chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Next we will skip the first stitch and we will go into the next one and make 1 loop like this. Go into the next one, make a second loop, then go into this one, into the loop from the single crochet, so this one, and make another loop. Next go into the one from the stitch from here, from below, the last one, we will take the yarn through the next stitch. So we have now 6 loops on our hook. We will pull the yarn through all 6 of them now, and we will chain 2. 1, and we have our first motif here. We will do next, we will skip this stitch and we will go into this one and make a loop and go into this loop that was created when we pulled the yarn through all the 6 loops. So here we will go into this one next and make 4th loop, and next we will go into this stitch and make the 5th loop and go into the next stitch again and make the 6th loop. So we have now 6 loops. We will pull the yarn through all of them, chain 1, 2, and do exactly the same across this round. Let's do this one more time. So we will skip the first, make 1 loop here, go into the next loop here, next one here, 4 loops into the stitch here below, 5, and then we will go into the next one and we will have 6, pull through all of them, chain 1, 2, so one more time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Pull the yarn through all 6 of them, chain 2, and so on. I am now at the end of the work. I have left only one stitch motif to make, so go into this stitch and make 1. We have 2 loops, 3, 4, 5, and we will go here, 6, and pull the yarn through all 6 of them. So here we will go into this space. So we have here the 2 loops, and below these 2 loops we will go and slip stitch like this and cut the yarn. After we cut the yarn, we will go with the hook on the back of the work through the same loop here and bring this yarn and pull the yarn through like this. And wave in the end. So this is our final project, our final coaster. This is how it looks on the back. Happy crocheting!